Now, this was a neat little ride. Doesn't take all day if you're leaving Williston Crossing. Here we are. We went on up, took this little cut across, went 241. I think right here it's 15th, Southwest 15th Avenue. And that is a neat little stretch. Then right on up to 39th Avenue, and then we zigzagged, got back to 24. Right here, 19C, that is a neat little section too. A lot of canopy trees. Then we got back to 121. This road here is sweet. It's more of a move-along road right here. But then it branches off to this 10B or whatever it is, 108 South Northwest 221st Street Road. Now this section is a little bit of a ride, and right in here, that is old Florida, old farmlands and everything. Then from there, we went through the town of Micanopy, and then we went to the Blue Highway Pizzeria, which is right here somewhere, right there. And from there, we went on down 441, took this 346, and this is a neat little road. And they have one of the oldest post offices here. It's a post office and store, wood and swing store and post office, and it's still open. We didn't stop there today. Then we eventually made it back on 441. And after we got on 441, we took 318, which is a sweet little highway. It's really sweet going east from there. But anyway, took that, and that kind of beelines you right back into Williston here. And once we did that, whole thing was 83 miles. I don't know if it was really 2 hours and something, because we went to Harley for a little while, and then we went to our pizzeria and sat outside. It was a great trip, and there once again is the route. And if I ever get our website up with the crossing, I'll have all these trips with the Google Maps and the GPX maps that we make. All right, let's go on.
Another beautiful day. Today it's Gainesville Harley Davidson, and then pizza place, Blue Highway, I think the name is. It's gonna be a good day. One of my favorite roads, but this road here, Southwest 15th Avenue, I always enjoy, especially in the summertime, cooling off and coming down this Canopy Road. be here.
This was our first stop, Gainesville Harley Davidson. We've been here many a times. And this is where we also met up with our buddy Boo Boo. Wayne, he's with us, and off we go. Some more little back roads to get us there to the pizza place.
Let's hope this baby don't turn to dirt. I'll lose my followers. Like I lucked out, it's hard top all the way. I was sweating that one.
Is just another one of those neat little country roads. Now there's nothing out here. I'm just surprised we haven't seen more deer and wildlife when we take this ride. Little town, and there's I think 2 places that I know of to eat there. I don't think there are any big full-blown restaurants, I mean as far as in the town part. Now right here is the museum, and you see the Coca-Cola sign painted there. Man, there's a lot of people grab their bikes and get pictures right there. And here on down that road there is where Pearl's is, another place to eat, and here is our Blue Highway Pizzeria, and I tell you what, the food is good. Check it out. This is their website, and just so you know, there's 2 different locations, and we're at the one in Micanopy, and they're kind of give you the specials and everything else. Just a little information to look at before you go to make sure they're open. Here we are with our buddies. We're cutting up a little bit, but mainly we're hungry. Man, I forgot what sandwich I got, but they pressed it and it was good, and I didn't hear Boo Boo complain. And here's a little look at inside real quick, walking through there fast. And then there's Boo Boo heading home, and we're gonna continue going through the beautiful town of Evanston. here brings you to the end of another one of our trips. And again, it was only 83 miles. For those at Williston Crossing, you'll enjoy the little ride. Until next time, we'll see you on the road.
Also, be sure to check out our YouTube page. We also have a Facebook page, and we also have a website trying to keep these all together. This, once again, was a Michael and Marcia's Motorcycle Trips video. Ain't that right, Sprocket Baby, huh?